Ukrainians have just 2 minutes to seek shelter when the alarm siren sounds. For this reason, the city of Kharkiv is building concrete shelters near bus stops. A surface weighing approximately 100 tons that protects citizens from projectiles. Because Kharkiv is constantly being bombarded, the city council decided that we need to design and build these shelters. Some have already been installed or are being installed at public transport stops, so they are already actively protecting the lives of our fellow citizens. Engineers have been inspired by the construction of Israeli bomb shelters, a new urban landscape that will be part of the life of Ukrainians from now on.